All right. Show me what we got.
A balloon in a big car.
Okay, so this is a classic toy. This is old school. This is a balloon car racer. All right, so y'all want to try it?
Yeah.
Can
I open it?
You can open it. Open it up.
Here, I got it. Oh wow, there's stickers.
Cool, stickers. All right. Okay, so what you do, it has a balloon. That's what powers it. You blow through this little tube right here to fill it up. Okay. All right, so I'll do that for you.
And what's this do?
That's another one. That's like a replacement balloon for it. Okay. So I'm gonna air it up for you right now. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So we got it aired up. Okay, and then you put your finger over the end of it. Okay. And then you let it go.
No brakes.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Think it'll work?
Yeah.
Whoa!
That is
You
a
wanna
good
put your
race.
finger right over the air hole? You got it? All right. Put it on the. You wanna put it on the ground?
Yeah.
See what happens? Whoa! I did a 360, man. You wanna do it again?
Yeah.
One more time.
Blow it.
Yep. Come and see it. All right, I'll do it for you. Oh, there you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold it. You put your finger over it. Okay.
I'm gonna make it big.
Okay.
Oh.
Needs a little more air. Try to make it bigger. Okay, so now we're trying the other balloon that comes with it. So it comes with a replacement balloon. All right, Brooks, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay,
No, you let it go and
Okay, you
make
ready?
it go between my legs.
Okay, here we go. All right. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that was cool.
Can you blow it up this time? What do you think, Briggs? There you go. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Uh-huh.
Set. Go, let's go!
Ready? Here it comes. Oh. Put your thumb over it, and you better scoot back. Ready?
Yes. Caught it.
All right, let's show the viewers where you're putting your finger at. Okay, that's where you hold the air. So you're setting it on the ground, and then you're just letting it go. And the balloon, air's pulling out the back to push it. All right, one more time, buddy. There it goes. Woo!
Good thing I gave it full power.
Yeah.
This is the only thing to make it go full power.
Yep, go for it.
Ready?
Yep. Whoa! You know what would be even cooler?
What?
Having 2 or 3 of those and racing them. So we'll just have to get some more, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Pretty cool little toy.